What happened to a president for all Americans, no matter your politics, no matter where you live? And yet Politico reports the Trump administration denied hundreds of millions of dollars in disaster aid to 4 Democratic-led states. The White House says politics had nothing to do with it, but critics don't buy it. Here's why. The money was requested by New York, New Jersey, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island, all blue, to help recover from a major blizzard that hit the Northeast in February. The storm was so destructive, you probably remember it, that 30 people died, and AccuWeather estimates it caused between $34 and $38 billion in total damage and economic loss. Members of Rhode Island's congressional delegation sent the president a letter earlier this week writing, quote, after months of waiting on the same day you approved major disaster declarations for several Republican-led states, you chose to leave Rhode Islanders out in the cold. And in fact, that is what the White House did, approving FEMA disaster aid for 6 Republican-led states. The administration says that aid was justified, while the East Coast is, quote, generally expected to manage major storms independently. Their words. This, though, goes beyond disaster relief. The New York Times reports FEMA is also threatening to withhold a portion of counterterrorism funding unless states comply with election-related demands. We were just talking about this, and here it is again. Some of those requirements, by the way, the administration wants have already been blocked by federal courts, which raises a difficult question. If complying could conflict with existing law, what are states supposed to do? Because whether it's disaster relief or counterterrorism funding, the broader question here is the same. How much is our safety conditioned on, quote, loyalty?